Bleach and ammonia, a deadly pair. Mix them together, but beware of the toxic air. The resulting chlorine gas isn't a joke, it's a deadly mistake. Using these cleaners is a risk you shouldn't undertake. Drain cleaners, potent and corrosive, demand your caution, their power is explosive. Chemical burns are a painful testament, so when using these products, don't be negligent. Then we have oven cleaners, a potent concoction. Their fumes can be harmful, prompting a cautionary reaction. Eyes and lungs can suffer damage, so careful management of these products is paramount. Furniture polish may seem benign, but it comes with toxic fumes that aren't so kind. Inhaled over time, they can lead to your decline. Respiratory issues are a dangerous threat, so with these cleaners, don't forget to be circumspect. Mold and mildew removers, another potential danger. Breathing in spores can alter your behavior. Respiratory infections are a risk to contain, so when using these cleaners, always remain sane.